Hello everyone, and welcome to the Ukraine Will Win channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has become critically important for Ukraine's security and future: strengthening our borders. It's not just about building fences or digging trenches, it's about creating a robust, multi-layered system that protects our land, our people, and our sovereignty. Since the beginning of the full-scale invasion, the concept of border security has taken on a whole new meaning. What used to be a line on a map is now a front line, a symbol of our resilience and our determination to defend our home. The efforts to fortify our borders are immense and ongoing, involving a combination of physical barriers, advanced technology, and dedicated personnel. Let's start with the northern border. This area has seen some of the most intensive fortification work. We're talking about extensive anti-tank ditches, concrete barriers known as dragon's teeth, and vast minefields. These measures are designed to slow down and halt any potential ground assault, giving our defenders the crucial time they need to respond effectively. Think of it as a series of complex obstacles designed to channel any invading force into kill zones where our artillery and anti-tank units can engage them with maximum efficiency. But physical barriers are only one part of the equation. Modern warfare is heavily reliant on technology, and our border defense is no exception. We are deploying a sophisticated network of surveillance systems. This includes thermal imaging cameras that can see in the dark, long-range reconnaissance drones that provide real-time intelligence, and ground sensors that can detect movement and vibrations. All this data feeds into command centers where analysts monitor the situation around the clock, looking for any signs of suspicious activity. This technological shield gives us a significant advantage, allowing us to see the enemy before they see us. The human element, of course, remains absolutely vital. Our brave border guards are the backbone of this entire system. They are highly trained, incredibly motivated, and deeply committed to their mission. They patrol these fortified lines day and night, in all weather conditions, often at great personal risk. Their vigilance and courage are what turn these static defenses into a living, breathing shield for our country. Their training has evolved significantly, incorporating lessons learned from the battlefield, focusing on everything from drone operation to advanced first aid and anti-ambush tactics. Now, let's talk about the specific regions. In areas like Chernihiv and Sumy, which faced intense pressure in the early stages of the war, the fortifications are particularly dense. Local communities and military administrations are working hand in hand. It's a nationwide effort. Volunteers, engineers, construction workers, everyone is contributing. This unity of purpose is one of our greatest strengths. When people see these fortifications being built, it's not just a military project. It's a powerful symbol of national resolve. It sends a clear message to the enemy that every inch of Ukrainian land will be defended. The southern border also presents unique challenges, especially along the coastline and near the administrative line with occupied territories. Here, naval and coastal defense systems play a crucial role. We're talking about anti-ship missile systems, naval drones, and enhanced surveillance of the Black Sea. The goal is to prevent amphibious landings and to control our maritime routes, which are vital for our economy and for resupplying our forces. Every successful interception of an enemy missile or drone at sea is a testament to the growing strength of our coastal defenses. Furthermore, strengthening the border isn't just about preparing for a conventional military assault. It's also about combating sabotage and reconnaissance groups. These small, agile enemy units try to infiltrate our territory to gather intelligence, plant mines, or cause chaos. Our Special Operations Forces and Border Guard units are specifically trained to counter these threats. They conduct patrols, set up ambushes, and use advanced tracking techniques to hunt down these groups. Every neutralized sabotage group is a victory that prevents potential harm to our civilians and military personnel. International partnerships have also been invaluable in this endeavor. Our allies have provided not only funding, but also expertise and advanced equipment. From surveillance technology to engineering support, this assistance has helped us accelerate the pace and improve the quality of our border fortifications. This is a clear demonstration of the world's support for Ukraine's right to self-defense and a recognition of the importance of a secure and sovereign Ukraine for global stability. Looking at the broader picture, this massive fortification effort has several long-term benefits. Firstly, it provides a tangible sense of security for the Ukrainian people, especially those living in border regions. It shows them that their government and military are doing everything possible to protect them. This boosts morale and helps maintain a sense of normalcy in incredibly difficult times. Secondly, it serves as a powerful deterrent. The sheer scale and complexity of these defenses send a clear signal that any future attempt to invade will come at an unimaginably high cost. It forces the enemy to reconsider their plans and drains their resources, as they must constantly look for ways to overcome these formidable obstacles. A strong border is a peacekeeping border. Thirdly, this project is driving innovation in our domestic defense industry. We are developing new types of barriers, new surveillance systems, and new tactical approaches. This not only enhances our current defensive capabilities, but also lays the groundwork for a stronger, more self-reliant defense sector in the post-war era. The knowledge and experience we are gaining now will be a national asset for generations to come. Of course, the work is far from over. Strengthening a border of this length is a monumental task that requires continuous effort and investment. The enemy is constantly adapting, and so must we. Our engineers and military planners are always analyzing the effectiveness of the current defenses and developing new solutions to counter emerging threats. It's a dynamic process, a constant race between our defenses and the enemy's offensive capabilities. The spirit of the Ukrainian people is the secret ingredient that makes all of this possible. From the soldiers on the front lines to the civilians who support them, there is an unbreakable will to win. This collective effort to strengthen our borders is the physical manifestation of that spirit. It's a statement written in concrete, steel, and earth. A statement that says, Ukraine is here to stay. We will protect our land, we will rebuild our nation, and we will secure a free and prosperous future for our children. Thank you for joining us on the Ukraine Will Win channel. The fortification of our borders is a critical chapter in our ongoing fight for freedom. It's a story of courage, innovation, and national unity. Please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on how Ukraine is fighting for its victory. Stay strong, and glory to Ukraine.